Welcome back to Grow Your Own Vegetables, where a community of trusted teaching partners helps you grow real food in any space, in every season. Have you ever started microgreens at home only to end up with pale, leggy sprouts that just don't look like the ones at the store? Most of us have looked at our tray and wondered what we did wrong. The truth is, it's almost always one small timing mistake, and once you know it, your sprouts will never look the same. What you're about to watch is a live talk given at one of our past Grow Your Own Vegetables events, recorded for gardeners just like you. Today's teacher is Stacey Murphy. Stacey is a master gardener who has been growing food in tight urban spaces for over a decade, and she's taught thousands of gardeners across 6 continents. Today, Stacey is answering a quick question. When do you take the top tray off your sprouts? It sounds small, but it's the difference between weak microgreens and a perfect tray. Pour yourself some tea. Let's spend a few minutes together. For more information, free resources, and gentle guidance, you can find us at growyourownvegetables.org. And to grow alongside other gardeners just like you, join our free community at gyov.org. Settle in. You're going to enjoy this.
Okay, so she asks about the sprouts, and on day 2, do I take the top tray off of the sprouts and let them grow in from there on? So I wait for the sprout to push, trying to figure out how to describe this without a slide. When I grow sprouts, I take the second tray and I nestle it on top of the first tray so that the bottom of the tray is resting on the sprouts. And then basically that's its cover. And then what happens is as the sprouts start to push upward, once they start to push up like an inch, then I take that tray off. Maybe less than an inch, maybe more like half an inch. So it's, what day is that usually? I think that would typically be day 3, maybe even 4, that I pull that top piece off. So that's a great question. I need to look at the exact day of that. But you can, basically as long as the seeds have sprouted, you can take the top off usually, and they'll continue to grow. What that top does is it just ensures that the moisture stays in the plant, so there's not a lot of airspace above where the water could evaporate off of those seeds. So that's what's going on there.
If you'd like more guidance on growing fresh, flavorful greens, even in small spaces, Stacey has put together a simple guide for you. You can download it for free at growyourownvegetables.org/growyourgreens. The link is in the description below. And if you'd like to keep learning alongside other gardeners just like you, we have a wonderful free community waiting for you. You can join us at gyov.org. Thank you for spending this hour with us. We'll see you next week.